you can hear me. Yeah, you guys can hear me. I just wanted to tell you, today's gonna be a sad day. I bought this. It never came. I'm not actually a hacker. And this looks ugly. Looks like your mom. But I just want to tell you, I want at least 1 subscriber. We did ABC. This is the first time we're doing ABC. We're doing a sugar jar. I said just drawings. I need you guys to hear me. So, here we go. Let's do this. Never mind. But guys, I want to tell you something. Today's a really important day. Please give me 1 subscriber and bye.